how to create useful vectors. So as an example, we want to create a vector x. X equals, it will begin with 0, then you type in colon, the increment 0.1 to 1, which will be the end of the vector, then hit enter, and you get a vector x starting from 0 to 1, going with the increment 0.1. Another version of the same way of creating a vector is the command linspace. You type in linspace of, you give him the start 0, the end of the vector 1, and then the number of elements in the vector. So we can just type in 5, and we're going to get a vector from 0 to 1, and with 5 elements. If we type in 3, it will have 3 elements.